What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to break down what's going on with Tesla, SPY, Nvda, the QQQ, and a couple of other tickers. But let me first say that I am not a financial planner. Take nothing I say as financial advice. And then don't forget about the Moomoo link. The offer ends very soon. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed 5 free stocks. If you put in $1,000, you're guaranteed up to 15 free stocks. Anyways, when it comes to the market, SPY is currently trying to hold above the 510 area. I was really hoping that this would try to hold. We are, but we're not looking the strongest. We're just very choppy right now. It's not really the most fun to watch for. But if we end up losing 509.75, there is a risk of this coming back down lower to retest low levels like the low 509s. If this thing continues to push and hold above 510, we have potential to push up to the 510.5 again. If we break that, we could turn a little bit more bullish. Overall, it's very slow, not really doing anything too insane. So we watch to see if we can try to get some kind of break. And it's been uptrending. It's on a slight uptrend right now intraday. It came down, of course, to 508, but now it's slowly been trying to push for these last couple of hours. So let's see if we can get one more push into the end of the day. So far, so good from SPY. It is down quite a bit from the all-time high, of course, but that's what keeps happening every time we hit our, resistance at the 518 area. We just keep getting hit back down. So we're going to be watching to see if we could get anything different for SPY from here. Now, for other tickers out there like Tesla is actually showing more strength and more life. Tesla, of all things, is still, it's been very, very sideways, but we have a double bottom like structure that has developed. And if Tesla gets a follow through move, a breakup of 165, especially for next week, this thing could start pushing back to higher levels. This is showing life. It's outperforming the market, holding up a lot better after we got some bullish news involving India, basically having a new policy that could cut import taxes. This has helped Tesla to some extent. We could see Tesla try to push higher, but we need to see it at least close to where we are and maintain this structure. As long as we hold above 162, we're going to be fine. We could try to break 165 as resistance in the future. So far, so good from them. For the QQQ, triple Q, this, in my opinion, came down quite a bit, just like SPY. Came all the way down to this 432 area. Now we're back at 435. If we break 435, we could push for 436. Otherwise, we're going to be testing 435 as resistance. Our support is 434, followed by 433.8. Overall, it's showing some life. For the last 3 hours, it's been slowly uptrending, so it could make its way back up to at least breaking 435 and get closer to 436. But it's very slow, just like SPY. We're not getting like a clean break. It's just slowly trying to uptrend, and we could see the QQQ follow this trend. For Aapl, actually, let me talk about Nvda, then Aapl. Nvda, in my opinion, is showing some life, okay? We had this falling wedge. We got a little breakout, came back down. Now it's starting to push back up. It's been very sideways around this 892 area, but we're slowly trying to get closer to 900. I could see this actually get closer to at least 900 by next week. I do see some potential in this, especially thanks to this breakout that's forming. So let's hope we try to break 892. This is the resistance I called out. If we break this area, 900 is coming next. Watch 885 as support. So far, it's holding up well. It could try to push later, but it is very sideways, so it could take a little bit longer. And for Aapl, in my opinion, it came down to 170. I said we could get a balance on Aapl as long as we try to hold above 170.9. We've slowly done that, and we could get closer to 172. It is very much just kind of struggling at 171.5, but there is some potential for it to get closer to 172. So far, so good from Aapl. So it could try to push a little bit more. It's still stuck within this bigger range, so it's going to take its time. We'll have to see what happens after that. But I do believe 172 is a possibility for later on. It's very, very slow, just like SPY, so we'll give it the time it needs and see how things go. Anyways, that's it for the main ones. Super micro, very, very sideways. It got to push up to 1135. Now it's back down towards this level right here. It was actually turning very nicely in the 30 minutes. It's still stuck between supply and demand. So watch support at 1120. Watch resistance at 1131, and we'll see which way it goes. For the IWM Russell 2000, this is showing some life, so watch 202.75 as resistance. If we break this, we could push higher. Besides that, I'm not really seeing anything else that's too crazy. Amazon has been actually coming down a bit towards 175, and now we're just shuffling a little bit. If Apple keeps pushing, we're going to be looking for a push towards 175.96. I'm seeing some potential for it, but just to be safe, we'll wait and see how it goes. And that's pretty much it for now, guys. Please take care. I'll be back in a couple of hours to talk about close, but that's pretty much it. The market's very slow. Nothing too crazy is happening, but we are seeing some signs of potential for stocks like Tesla and SPY. Anyways, have a great day. I'll see you guys in a couple of hours, and peace out.